Palawan isn't just a gem of the Philippines, it has been crowned one of the most breathtaking islands in the world. After experiencing its beauty firsthand, I knew I had to create the ultimate El Nido travel guide to help you make the most of your trip. In this video, we'll take you to the most stunning islands and dive into the must-try local dishes, all in a destination that looks straight out of a dream. Let's explore El Nido together. Let's go.
This really nice guy. We ended up being a little too much for the load, especially with our luggage. So he's gonna go to the top of the hill and we'll meet him up there and get a ride to the hotel.
Welcome to Stunning Republic. Nestled along the pristine shores of El Nido, Stunning Republic Beach Resort is your tropical paradise where breathtaking ocean views meet warm Filipino hospitality. Located just minutes from El Nido town, this beachfront retreat offers the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Wake up to the sound of waves, watching the stunning Palawan sunset. Whether you're here for island hopping, snorkeling, or simply unwinding by the beach, Stunning Republic promises an unforgettable escape in one of the world's most beautiful destinations. Today, we embarked on El Nido's Island Hopping Tour C. El Nido's Island Hopping Tour C is an adventure through dramatic limestone formations, hidden tropical sanctuaries, and pristine beaches. While we couldn't reach Secret Beach due to high tides and strong waves, the rest of the journey was nothing short of spectacular.
Okay, we're getting ready to jump in. This is Hidden Beach here, right? Okay.
To get there, we had to swim, but as I swam, the waves kept throwing me back over and over.
So we are in Hidden Beach, and let me just say, this is very, very hard on the beach getting in here. I'm not sure whether it's just at this time with this level of the water, or whether it's just a tough beach to get into. The waves will throw you around a little bit. Do not wear flip-flops. That was a bad choice. You want to get some of those shoes that are water shoes where you go whitewater rafting in them. These kill your feet. You're stepping on all kinds of rocks and different levels, so this can actually hurt quite a bit. Don't wear these. Get some of the shoes that will protect your feet and allow you to walk on different things, and you don't have to try to keep these on your feet. Bad choice for me today. This is Hidden Beach, just outside of El Nido, Palawan, here in the Philippines. One of the things, this is right now a difficult time to get here, maybe based upon the weather and other locations, but a lot of people ended up with some bumps and bruises after making this trek from the boat over here. The waves are pretty strong and they'll throw you around, but it is a beautiful view. This is protected kind of here in the cove, but it's a neat place to come to visit, but you gotta watch the rocks as you come in off the boat, because those waves will come through and they end up picking you up and throwing you around. But it's well worth the trek.
Our next destination was supposed to be Secret Beach, but the high water level and strong waves made it impossible to enter through the narrow cave, the only way in. For our safety, our tour guide decided not to take the risk. Instead, we headed to our next stop, Tapiutan Island, where we could finally enjoy our lunch.
So this is Tapiutan Island here just outside of El Nido. It's kind of protected from some of the rougher sea that we've experienced earlier today. So this is a coconut. She just cut it open. And what does this cost? What's the charge for it?
Yes.
Huh? How much does it cost?
100.
100 pesos. 100 Philippine pesos.
Here, you can snorkel in calm, crystal clear waters while enjoying the stunning views of vibrant corals and colorful fish. Snorkeling here was an incredible experience. I loved floating in the calm, crystal clear waters, watching schools of colorful fish swim around me while admiring the vibrant coral reefs beneath. It felt like stepping into an underwater paradise.
This is Helicopter Island. The reason it's called Helicopter Island is because it looks like a helicopter. And I think it's our last stop on Tour 3, just out of El Nido.
With its long stretch of golden sand, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery, it was the perfect place to relax, swim, and soak in the breathtaking scenery before heading back to El Nido. Though the weather wasn't entirely on our side today, the island's beauty still shone through, and we made the most of our time enjoying the views and exploring the shoreline. Today's island hopping tour was nothing short of unforgettable. From the hidden gems tucked behind towering limestone cliffs to the vibrant underwater world and pristine beaches, every stop offered a unique experience. Even though we couldn't reach Secret Beach due to the strong waves, the journey was still an incredible mix of adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking scenery. Despite the weather not being entirely on our side, we made the most of every moment, snorkeling in crystal clear waters, enjoying a delicious lunch by the beach, and soaking in the natural beauty of El Nido. El Nido's Tour C truly lives up to its reputation, and it's an experience I'd recommend to anyone looking to explore the raw and untouched paradise of Palawan.
The Explorer Esquire is sponsored by southwestlegal.com. If you or a family member are facing legal problems in the state of California, give Southwest Legal a call at 760-922-5051. 800 number is 888-922-5051. Also, you can reach Southwest Legal on the World Wide Web at southwestlegal.com.
So we have Joel Delatado here. He's going to be our driver today, and he's going to take us to what place are we going to go visit today?
We will visit Nacpan Beach.
Can you show them? There we go. So we are going to visit Tapiutan Beach, Lio Beach,
Bulalacao Falls.
and how do you pronounce that?
Bulalacao.
Bulalacao.
Yeah. Las Cabanas.
Sunset Beach.
Yeah,
So we'll be doing that today, and Joel will be our driver, and he's named his vehicle after his son,
Ethan Joe.
Ethan Joe.
Our first destination on this land tour was the breathtaking Nacpan Beach, a true tropical paradise. Known for its long stretch of powdery white sand, swaying coconut trees, and crystal clear waters, this beach is one of El Nido's hidden gems.
Welcome to Nacpan Beach in the Philippines. It's a great place to come and visit. Not too much activity around here as far as a lot of people, a lot of privacy. If you look over there, you can see actually that there are a lot of lounge chairs here that are a wonderful thing to just kind of come, sit, and relax. It's probably around 35 to 40 miles outside of the regular El Nido area. But this is a great place to visit if you want to get away from everybody and just enjoy yourself. Waterfalls. I'm here just outside of El Nido. We're going to check it out. So we are here right now, and we're heading up to the falls, and Sheila May is our tour guide. How many years have you been doing this, Sheila?
1 year and 3 months.
Okay, were you raised in this area?
Yeah, my house there, behind the range.
Okay, and so how many tours do you take people on a day?
Sometimes 2 times. Depends the guests if they coming.
Okay, is there generally a lot of people that come through here, or?
Yeah.
Oh, that is neat. And so this is about a 25-mile walk back? No, 25 minutes, excuse me.
Depending your walk, 20 or 25.
Depending on how fast we walk?
Yes.
So this is a pretty nice path so far. Get to walk through some water, cool your feet down, and you have a stick here to keep your balance. As we're moving along this area, you can hear the brook down there to the right of us. Yeah, so this was, they started giving tours to the falls in 2010, and they've been doing it all the time, except during the pandemic, right?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you guys doing? Where are you guys from? Manila, okay. Hello. Are you guys from Manila too?
Yeah.
You're part of the Manila crew. Go ahead. So this waterfall just goes on and on and on as you look up there. It's kind of multi-layered. So the first one I would say is probably around maybe 30 feet tall, and then you look up a little bit further, there's another 10-foot one, and then there is a higher one that's even further up there. Let me just see how cold it is. You know, it's really not that bad. Huh. There we have been in one time. We're gonna go over here by the falls and hopefully get a good picture of these falls. So right now here at the falls, just outside of El Nido, and we're going to go back in here and get a picture kind of directly underneath the falls. So what's your guys' name?
I'm Ram.
I'm Shan.
Very nice to meet you, Ram. And you said Ton?
Shan.
Sean. Very nice to meet you. You guys are from Manila.
Yeah.
Have you guys lived in Manila all your life?
Yes.
And what kind of work do you do in Manila?
We're doing corporate life.
Corporate life. How do you like your job?
It's actually fun. I miss my job. I will go back.
you hate even being away from there, huh? What is your favorite thing to do in Manila?
The mall shopping. There's a lot of mall in Manila.
It's the biggest mall in the world, or Asia.
This one.
That's SM Mall.
Yeah, it's Mall of Asia.
Okay, and I challenge you, what does the S and the M stand for?
Probably my name, Shan Marion.
That must be it.
I actually don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, if you guys do know, put it down under here in the comments what the SM stands for in the mall there. So the guy that founded the SM Mall had a certain career, a profession at the beginning, and he always identified as that. So if that tells you anything, an S and an M. You can add the comments on that, what it is. Very nice talking with you folks, and you guys have a wonderful time here. And hopefully you go up a couple more waterfalls and you can slide down that one. It's not bad. It's easy. So you guys take care. That is incredible. Good job. So Cynthia is 63 years old, and she went up to the top and jumped off this. And this is one that is not, you know, she had to do a little bit of climbing to get to the place where you jump. That was absolutely incredible. At 63 years old, you know, I see a lot of people in here. You go, wow. So they looked at her and they were amazed. 63 years, Cynthia. Great job. Just finished up at the falls, a great experience. The walk is about 25 minutes back, and you get some really good exercise. You head through some water. I ended up buying these shoes that are a little bit, they don't have a real strong sole to them, so you kind of feel it on your feet, but they stay on your feet at least.
Let's go.
Okay, now I really feel cool. I got the glasses on, everything, and we're ready to take off the rest of the day. minute ride from El Nido to this beach. Absolutely beautiful beach. It's sandy, very fine sand. One of the things you notice about a lot of the beaches in El Nido is they are very, very clean. Probably more so than a lot of other beaches. I think El Nido takes a lot of effort to make sure that their beaches are pristine and clean, and so they're getting the seaweed, they get the leaves and stuff off the beaches so that they are in prime condition for people to come and visit. Welcome to Sunset Beach here in El Nido.
The real magic of Las Cabanas Beach happens at sunset. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, the sky exploded into breathtaking shades of orange, pink, and purple, casting a golden glow over the ocean. It was the kind of moment that made time slow down, a perfect ending to another incredible day in El Nido.
If you've enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and share. Additionally, if you have any suggestions as far as